He only did this side.
Yeah.
Somebody built like a decentralized stone paper scissor.
एक सेकंड भाई, एक सेकंड मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, एक सेकंड
काटना नहीं है भैया, खाली
एक्स्ट्रा एजेस में जो दिख रहा ना सिर्फ
केक है तो लगा
एक सेकंड भाई, एक सेकंड मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, एक सेकंड
क्या
पकड़ पकड़।
हाँ अरे
भाई क्या कर रहे हो?
परमिशन लेस.
बाल बाल गिरे.
So again, we are here with another segment of Unfiltered Barber Shop with one and only,
रोशन बड़ा शेरी.
and we are permissionless kid, right?
Yeah, always.
Tell me what exactly is permissionless.
Permission-
And what does that word mean?
Permission is a lifestyle. We stop ourselves from doing things for most of the times when we think that somebody will not like if we do, or it is against the rules. But until and unless someone asks you, okay, don't do this, I don't think we should like stop doing it.
Makes sense. I mean, we started a little hard. So what's happening? Where are we right now?
We are at Hacker House Goa.
Okay.
Yeah, we are doing crazy things here. There are 250 plus hackers here. All are crazy. I initially thought that like I'm going to mentor them and stuff. Then they are so good that I thought that okay, I'll get a product with them as well. So it's insane. Vibes are immaculate.
What are the one of the OG products that you saw and you were like mind blown?
Somebody built like a decentralized stone paper scissor. That was insane. Second major thing, beard. I feel so weird. Second, majorly, someone is actually building a product where they'll be able to automate work using AI, but it's on blockchain. So you create like a small automation and you put it on the smart contracts and it'll keep running on forever. You just have to keep paying gas.
Gotcha.
It's a great idea.
What are you building?
I actually wanted to elevate everybody else's thoughts. Okay, what are things that can be built using AI and crypto? So I built a platform which you can connect your Neuralink or any other BCI interface and upload your minimum consciousness onto smart contracts. So they go on to live forever. Yes.
Crazy. Sounds crazy. Okay. So I guess he has something to ask.
So, with all of this, AI and Web3 buzz coming up, do you really think do you really see a future for it, or is it just another,
Passing fade?
yeah, maybe, or another narrative to have some cash from it?
No, you're talking as if like it's like saying electricity is like a fading thing. It's not like that. For AI, crypto as a whole, AI is a fundamental technology. Crypto is a fundamentally new protocol. These are two different things. So when we say AI, we're talking about computing getting better and better. And when we talk about crypto, we're talking about networks getting better and better. So these two have really great synergies, and I think like the exact points where these merge, like great potential is like it's going to happen.
Makes sense.
By the way, since most of folks know you are pretty viral on Instagram. So what do you think about I think we were talking about this yesterday, that usually it is said that engineers or builders can't sell. So what do you think about that? Because you're yourself a builder, you're building great stuff, and you have had a couple of SaaS products and stuff. You have a history of it. So what do you think about it? Like, can builders sell, and what is the playbook to go viral? मतलब फटने का कैसे है?
We should say what's the importance of what is called the word? Come on fast. Distribution. Yeah.
I think today it's like said worldwide that people who can build and sell are the most like people who have high chances to be successful. I personally think that if you just tell your story out, and if you keep saying the same story again and again and again and again, it usually gets refined and people start paying attention to you. What I tried with my content is that I want to tell a story that what we know as a human, what we know as a soul is not just limited to the physical body. AI is a great manifestation of it, even in a very small scale. So I wanted to like keep saying that story again and again with multiple AIs, and I think that is what, like, if you keep saying the same thing again and again properly and refining it, people will keep listening to it.
Makes sense.
What you're trying to build is quite an intellectual thought, but how is the money flow from it? I think you've built a couple of AI models, like you've built Krishna AI, you've built Harvey Specter and stuff. So how's the money flow through it?
So it works like an indirect marketing effort for overall things that I do. What happens is that people think that like everything needs a add to cut button. It's not true. Sometimes these things act like your PR, and because of that you get opportunities which bring gold.
Gotcha.
So most of the money that has flown because of this, it's not direct, but indirect income has been exponential just by having the virtue of so many people wanting to listen to what I say.
Makes sense.
That's nice. So, you know, you must have met a lot of young hackers over here.
Yes.
What's that one advice that you would love to give to them, you know, if they're just starting out?
I think what you can do is just limited by your imagination, and your imagination is limited by knowledge. And I think if you keep gaining knowledge, you will expand your horizons and like you can conquer the world. So just like learn new stuff, do new stuff, and practically do new stuff. You will learn it better. And keep like growing. That's all.
Yeah. I would like to keep it short and simple.
Awesome.
Closing
Also,
it.
I think
He only did this side.
Yeah,
Yeah, he will do it.
This
He
side.
will do. I mean, watch it. So, I mean, yeah, guys, where do you want to see the unfiltered barbershop next? I mean, I want to see it in Zoo House for sure, in Bangalore.
Yeah, definitely, man.
Yeah.
I think Zoo
I mean,
House,
Samurai, if you're watching this, bro, I want to give some shout out to a few people.
Dan, Levi, Banbai, Bangbadi, all of you. I think this needs to happen at Zoo House.
For sure. Let's go, Zozo.
Get it
So
if
nice.
you mad enough. Anger is the weapon I've been using when we battle.